Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Xbox that holds the profile you want removed. Make sure your controller is connected and the console is online. Once signed in, open Settings. This is where you'll manage accounts. Make sure you understand that removing an account from this console only clears the local profile, not the Microsoft account online. Now navigate straight to Accounts so you can remove the profile. Keeping passwords ready speeds the confirmation steps and avoids delays. Once in Accounts, select Remove Accounts and then choose the specific profile to delete. Press it to view details and again to remove. You'll be asked to confirm. Do so only after checking whether saved games are cloud synced or stored locally, because local-only saves are deleted. If the account belongs to a family group, make sure you remove it from family settings first so permissions don't block deletion. After confirmation, the console will wipe the local profile and any local-only content tied to it. When the removal completes, restart the console and sign out so you can verify the profile no longer appears at sign-in. If the account still shows, clear stored profiles under System Storage, clear local saved games, or log into Family. Microsoft. To remove family links that may recreate the profile. Make sure to back up any needed data before a factory reset. That is a last resort. If problems persist, power cycle the Xbox and try the removal again. This often resolves transient caching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.